Have you ever heard a strange scream or piercing squeal coming from the forest at night? It might have been a wild boar. Native to Europe, Asia, and North Africa, wild boars can now also be found in parts of North America and many other regions of the world. In North America, they are an introduced and invasive species. Wild boars are highly social animals and use a surprisingly wide range of sounds to communicate. Their vocalizations include low-frequency grunts, high-pitched squeals, and intermediate sounds known as grunt squeals. They also produce a distinctive, nasal-sounding call known as a trumpet. Grunts are commonly used during feeding and social contact, while squeals are more often associated with stressful or negative situations, including conflict or being threatened. Grunt squeals combine characteristics of both sounds and are particularly associated with situations in which a boar is scared, threatened, or submissive. So, although wild boars may sound quite different depending on the situation, their vocalizations are an important part of how they communicate with each other. Now, let's hear what a group of wild boars actually sounds like in the wild. Turn up your volume and listen closely. Which part of their vocalizations surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more wildlife sound guides.